Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. This is DAM Trader doing another recap on May 20th, 2021, and today is how to make 220 and lose almost half of it. And so let's go to it. Today I only traded SPCE. If you guys look on the right hand side of the screen, is SPCE, um, 80% rate. This stuff is crazy. Oh my gosh, it's bouncing back. Probably could have tried to stay there, but uh, paper hands, guys, paper hands. Um, yeah, so 80% winning rate today, $108 gain. Um, couldn't hold long enough. My profit, I think I averaged down to about like maybe $20, I think. Uh, so I was hoping that it was gonna touch some view app, but never did. So anyway, let's go to it. So at 5 o'clock, I saw this spiking. Didn't make any moves at 5. Here's the big, huge gap. I mean, spike here. Buying volume. It was about 117,000 there, 120,000 shares being bought up, and it dropped. Now I should have gotten in here somewhere because VWAP is a really good indicator, good area where to get in. Um, so yeah, I missed out. And if you guys look at the trend line here, let's draw that real quick. Yeah, so right on that trend line, that's where I got in. Right where the break of that trend line, I got in, but kind of slightly slow. Um, yeah, so it was jumping up fast, and so I missed out on that entry. I think somebody left a comment about you need a really good broker, and I definitely do need it. So yeah, if you guys look at that, 20.1 is my entry there, 20.15, and also 19.99 there. I did get in with 30 shares at 19.99. That was like the lowest, but I chased that right after it broke. Should have gotten here in this area. This is actually a better area here. I reposted on stock tweets. If you guys don't have me added on stock tweets, please add me. But yeah, I did posted that SPCE was one of my watch stocks, four of my top four of my watch stocks, and so the shares was pretty big. That's why I was not confident in getting in here. But SPCE was it's a well-known gapper. If you guys look previous, let's see, 1 year, 1 day. I mean, this thing has gone up quite fast, and when there is volume, there's momentum. And so, like even right here, right? Look at that gap. That's about what 14% gap just on that one. I mean, look at this one right here, right? From here to here. This is just on a day alone, 46%. So I was hoping that it was gonna do that at the open, but it didn't do that. Didn't do what I wanted it, and now I'm getting FOMO. Jeez, that gap got dropped though. Anyway, so I got in right here. I didn't want to go in full share, full size. So I was scaling in with 30 shares, 30 shares, 30 shares. This is also big price stock here. And then exit here with 150 shares, 29. Not a great exit. Could have held it longer, but it was like take my gain. I think I made about $100 there, if I'm not mistaken. And then I get back in, but I got back in with smaller share, I believe. Oh no, same size. Okay, another 30 shares here. Because I thought that it was gonna continue to break and go up higher, but it didn't. Instead, yeah. So the first trade here with 150 shares only 1.95%. So that was not, it's not a big deal. Um, and then it dropped. I got in. I tried to get filled on VWAP. Of course, it didn't fill me. and then instead it just continued going up, and I finally sold all my 120 shares here at 20.99. In this candle, the high was 21.05 there, but only exit at 20.99, leaving some on the table there. And then I like this is already high, right? Like you expect that this is already high. I mean, look how far it spiked from $16 all the way to $20. So I was thinking that that was it. Instead, it continued going up, and I missed that whole move right here. So I chased it with 10 shares, and finally sold her at 21.56 there, 21.56. Not bad. And I only made about $3 there with 0.72 percent. But then as it continued going up, I chased it more, and that's when I got stuck. So I got stuck and dropped, continued dropping, continued dropping. I was like, okay, if it comes down to VWAP, I'll get in. And right before VWAP, I was supposed to put it on VWAP, but I was skeptical that it was not gonna touch VWAP, and gonna go off without me, go out, take off without me. And so I put it up here at 2078, got me filled, but it just continued dropping, and I was like, oh man, should I sell it? Um, and yeah, my noob thoughts just came in. It's like, okay, just hold it because this is previous gappers, can skyrocket it all the way to the moon. It's SPCE, Virgin Galactic. They're announcing that they're gonna do another testing on Saturday, and so they're like, okay, well, that's probably the reason why people bought it. This thing went up 20%, and so yeah, I held it all the way, and right at the open, as it spiked up 21.37, that's when I got out all my shares, and I had $220 gain, and I was like, yes, that's good gain. I was like, okay, maybe that's it. I'm done trading, but continue gapping up, and right at 21, where is my entry here? Right at 21.48, I added. It dropped, added more, added more, added more. Just continue adding like crazy, adding, 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 and it just kept on going down and down and down. And so, right about here, I'm looking at these candles, right? Especially this candle right here. I was not so sure that it was gonna, it's like, there's no way that it's gonna be, 180 degrees the opposite way. And so it dropped. I got filled, but it didn't look so great. So I waited a little longer, and as it goes up, then that's when I sold it. Could have probably hold it longer, but I don't know. I was getting tired, like holding it way too long. And yeah, I had a lot of opportunity. I mean, this is the best exit right here, right? VWAP. I always talked about this. If you get trapped, get out on VWAP or underneath that, because if it's dropping all the way down, then yeah, forget it. But anyway, now it's popping back up. I don't know. I'm not gonna trade it again. So yeah, that's SPCE. That's my recap for today. 80%. And let's look at the weekly from 17th to 20th. I was hoping to make more today, but yeah, made $500 and 524 there. Not bad, and 59 cents. Winning rate for this week alone is 86%, and for this month, let's see, this month 86 on the week, 82% this month, so not bad. Yeah, I shouldn't have lost. I mean, That's the greedy part of my, mental. It's like, oh, it's gonna go up. Oh, it's gonna go to $25. Like, yes, let's go for it. It's gonna break the high. So don't, guys, don't be greedy. Take your gain, get out, and yeah, something I need to fight, something to work on. Self is the biggest enemy. Remember that. Self is the biggest enemy. So yeah, um, today not bad gain. Wished I could have held my $220. Didn't. So ended up with $108. It's better than yesterday, but I wish that I would have made more yesterday. Let's look at this. 100% winning rate, made about $79. So yeah, I guess I shouldn't complain. This is a small account, and so I am climbing. I lost quite a lot. I was over 25,000, and now I'm down below 25,000. So I'm recovering, and yeah, climbing up slowly. I'm at 22K now, going back to 25, getting out that PDT rule. Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the recap, and that's how I made what 220 and lost almost half of it. Well, actually, more than half of it, and now I'm down $108. So yeah, take care, guys. Hopefully you guys stay green, and see you again tomorrow for another recap. Take care.